Chapter 5, Molecules and Compounds. So we're probably all familiar with table sugar. It has a chemical name, sucrose. It's composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. The properties of the sucrose molecule are very different, though, than the properties of the individual elements that make it up. Carbon is, it comes in different forms. One form is a diamond, another form is graphite. So graphite is black and slippery, and I haven't tasted it recently, but I don't imagine that it tastes very good. Oxygen is a gas at room temperature and doesn't appear to have a taste. Hydrogen is a gas at room temperature. Both of those gases are flammable. But you put those three different elements together in a particular way and you get sugar. Sugar tastes sweet, doesn't it? It's a white crystalline solid at room temperature. Okay, so when we put elements together to form compounds, then we get very different properties. And this illustration here is showing you the sugar molecule. So we've got the white hydrogens, and the black ones hidden in the middle are carbons, and the red ones are oxygen. And we're also going to talk about salt, and over here this is an illustration of table salt, sodium chloride. Table salt has two elements in it, sodium and chlorine. Sodium is a very reactive metal. It reacts violently with water. Throw a chunk in a sink full of water and it explodes. Does that sound like a good thing to put on your meat? No. Because it would react with the water in your mouth. That would not be good. Elemental chlorine is kind of a brownish gas. It's toxic. Does that sound like a good thing to eat? Nope. But when you put these two elements together, they undergo a chemical reaction and they form sodium chloride. Sodium chloride, while you shouldn't eat too much of it, is necessary for life. Your body needs sodium ions and your body needs chloride ions in order for you to stay alive. And so it's an essential component for life. So the properties, again, of the compound are very, very different than the properties of the individual elements.